Hi, I'm Roja, Uniprint team lead. I'm going to demonstrate the Google Cloud Printer user self-registration bit. At the moment, I have the Uniprint 9.1 installed. That's a Service Pack 1 installed. So I log on to the Print Center using my administrator account. That's the Pharos account. It's administrator account. So you see these several tabs here. And for this, by the way, mobile print has to be installed. I have already installed mobile print 2.3. So click on admin Google Cloud Print and I will go through the steps. By the way, there is a tech note where you can follow the steps. I'm using Chrome browser here for handling the administrative side, and I'll use the Firefox later on so that you can see the student view and administrative view. So click here to enable the feature. Choose the server from the drop-down. Choose the designated API server which you are using it for the Google Cloud Print. It means the server on where your Google Cloud Print connector has been installed. So at the moment, I have all my services are in one box. So I choose this, save the changes. By default, Google Cloud Print service is not running. So go back to my server. Oh, it's running, by the way. I think I have made it running. So in your case, you have to ensure it is, you go back and manually start the service. You need to provide the authorization code. Again, go through the tech note for the steps. So I click here and use designated Google account for the Google Cloud Print. Don't use your personal account. So this is the administrator account. I copy the authorization code, copy here, save the changes. So everything has been configured. Ensure everything is green, nice and green. So everything is authenticated. And the next step, again, go through the tech note for that. I recommend, but I share the printer. I need to share the printer to the students. There are a couple of ways to share the printer. It has created a Pharos virtual print queue. Click on share. I give the student account. Share. You can give the email group if if you have to give one student email address by one, it's difficult. So go through the tech note. I have shared the printer now. Close all this. And the next step is ensure your mobile print email server has been configured. You can click here to review the configuration. That takes you to the mobile print tab where I have already entered all my details. Click here, test email. You should see the tests have been passed successfully. Come on, it takes a while. It's passed, so I go back to admin. So you don't need to click again, so you have already tested that, but you can ensure all the configuration is correct by clicking here. There is another, it's configured at the moment, email address registration. You can click here. I'll just quickly show you. By default, they're all checked, so you don't need to worry to ensure this checkbox has been ticked and this has been ticked to accept the emails. So now pretty much Google Cloud Print site is configured. Everything is nice and green. It's running. So now I go back to the student view. So I'm using Chrome for administrative purpose and the Firefox for the student. This is my student view. I should be getting an email. So that's what the email from the administrator account saying that administrator has shared the printer to you. So the next is a document. I'll print a document. I have a document in Google Drive. I print. I accept the printer. That's what is which has been shared. So I accept it. So the once it's been accepted, you can see a print view. Choose that. Print. So the print job has been added. Now in your email, you should get another email for the self-registration. So that's what it is. So open it. You can click here. At the moment, it says welcome to mobile print. By the way, you can change all these settings. I can show you in the mobile print tab, the administrative view. So let me first register. I have a user account, Roja. before I log in, I just go to the quickly to the Chrome. I'll show you under admin tab users. I have an account called Roja. That's where I share my printer. Click this. I'm just showing the update. No email addresses are associated to this particular user. Right? Go back to the Chrome and log on. User, click on login. So it gives you a message, nice message saying that email address has been successfully registered, and you should see your job here, the document which you have printed. I think I printed data mining document, so that's what it is. Choose this, click print, confirm. It's processing. So while it is processing, I'll go back to the Chrome quickly. I told you about the mobile printer. The text, you can change those texts over here. The email and all those things you can change over here. Go back to the Firefox. The document has been printed. Activity, it's been printed. Good. Hope this demo is helpful for you. Thank you.